guys, welcome back to my channel. I know my lighting friggin' sucks, but I am bleach bathing my hair because I want to go a different colour. So yeah, I'm just trying to remove as much of this greeny blue as possible. It has been about a month or so, so the colour's washed out quite a bit. I could probably leave it at this colour for a bit longer, but I want to change. I've been watching bleach bath videos on YouTube and for the most part haven't been helpful, but I'm using a recipe from Jade Madden, so hopefully she didn't fuck this up. I'm going to start obviously by sectioning my hair into fours. I've got my scales and I'm ready to create this stunning recipe. So we're looking at 5 grams of conditioner and 10 grams of shampoo. Now I'm using 30 volume and we're going to do 40 grams of this. My scales just died. And I'm going to use the High Lifter Blue Powder and I'm going to need 40 grams of this. If my scales dies again, I'll be annoyed. Jeez. Oh, they put it in a bag. Okay, sweetheart. So I just need to give that a stir. Oh, geez, that's a strong scent. So now all I have to do is put on my gloves. And I guess I'll start at the back of my hair, but I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Oh, Jesus. My God. Might need to turn the fan on. Okay guys, so that much of that bleach bar did this much of my hair. So I'm feeling terrible this morning. It's probably from all the bleach that I huffed last night, to be fair. And it actually turned out a lot lighter than I was expecting. So it's still a little bit green on the ends, but it's very, very light. And that kind of fucks with my, what I was planning to do. Why can't you just fucking not play that? I don't want to buy any of that. Now I watched Maria Morgan's video and she used the Crazy Colours hair dye in Bordeaux and obviously she went over green, and so I thought, well, I'll be going over green, so I'll get that colour. The only trouble is I didn't realise that the bleach bath would be so effective. Like, this is easily lighter than what my hair was before. I don't know if that's like simple logic, guys. So looking at the colour wheel, this might still work, but I didn't need to go as crazy like red. So I'm just going to do the fronts first, and I have another hair dye I can use if I run out. So I don't have to dilute it, so I'm just going to pop it in my bowl and I'll start at the front and we'll be all go. And yes, I will be wearing gloves. And yes, I'm doing this in my pajamas because I don't feel well. This is the colour, guys.
If everything goes the way I'm hoping.
So here's the final result. It's a lot brighter. In fact, it's a totally different color. Like, it's come out like a bright red cherry colour, which I honestly wasn't really expecting, but that bleach bath really took so much colour out of my hair. I was so shocked, so maybe I should have gone 20 volume. I did end up adding the Lime Crime hair colour in lipstick over top because I found that the other brand, it was just so runny, and I just find that the Lime Crime product is a lot better. Like, it's a lot smoother and a little bit goes a longer way. So I just kind of added that to the ends just to make sure there was colour everywhere. It was totally saturated, and yes, it is like a dark burgundy down the bottom. That's kind of what I had envisioned it would turn out as. I will do an overlay of what this colour looks like outside as well, because it's pretty bright to say the least. So that is pretty much how you go from having dark green hair to bright red hair accidentally. I don't know what I'll do next. I'll probably do purple next, like a dark purple, and then just kind of slowly transition from there. I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description box just of videos that helped me and inspired me, because obviously I'm not a hairdresser and I have obviously no idea what I'm doing. So I hope you guys are enjoying watching the shit that I'm doing with my hair, and if you have any questions you can always leave them in the comment section. Otherwise guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.